Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Heidi, and I'm going to be working with a new eyeshadow palette. I just finally got this in the mail after almost a month of waiting. It is the At Forest site, and it's the Colourpop, and that's a collab with Raw Beauty Kristi. This is the front of the box and the back of the packaging, and this is really cute. And this is the inside. It does not have a mirror, which is all right. I have no problem with that. And I wanted to work with maybe the Chanterelle and the Puffball shade, maybe a little bit of the gold in here, but I wanted to play with some other stuff too. I got this gel liner from Colourpop, and this is a yellow shade. It is not part of the collection because the rest of it was sold out, but this is in the shade Punch, and I thought that this would be really cool to put in my waterline. And of course, my heat's got to turn on. This is the box that the eyeshadow palette came in, same as the eyeshadow palette itself, and the back of the box has all the shade names, and I love that it has all the different mushrooms. Very Pacific Northwest, definitely. I am from Wisconsin, so I'm in the Northwest region, so we have a lot of the same as the Pacific Northwest. We have all 4 seasons, fall, winter, spring, and summer. So we go from 100 degrees to negative 50 degrees. But that's okay. I have no problem with that. I apologize for anybody that has been around for a while that I did not film for the past few weeks. As you guys seen from my last video, I did have an allergic reaction to some skincare, and my face was peeling so bad all through here. And my skin is doing a lot nicer, as you can see. Very good. I do already have my foundation and everything else on, but I wanted to jump into the eyes. I already did prime. I used the Pat McGrath concealer for my eyes, and I'm going to jump into the Melt Cosmetics, and this is the Cultra. This is the Ultra Matte Gel Liner, and this is the shade right here. I thought this would work really well with the palette. So I'm going to pick some of this up on the Dose of Colors brush that comes with the little small 5-shade palettes, and I'm going to put this all over my eye for a sticky base. I do have hooded lids, so I'm going to bring this up pretty far, and I know that I can just put other shades on top of this and it will be real nice. I think I'm going to bring this on the lower lash line as well, just close to the lashes as possible. I'm going to go from the inner corner to the outer corner to connect them together. And I'm going to do a little pull out as well on the outer. A little goes a long way. And I'm just going to grab a brush and I'm going to blend this out a little bit from the inner corner to the outer corner and lightly below as well. Not trying to tug very much on my lower lash line. And this shade blends out really, really nice too. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the first shade from the eyeshadow palette, and that is Chanterelle, and it is the second shade on the top row, and it looks like that mustardy shade that we were just putting on the lid. So I'm going to be using a Sigma taper blending brush, an E40. I'm going to pick up a bunch of that shade. We're going to be using this shade and we're going to pat this on that gel liner to set it and also blend out. One's really nice. I'm going to put a little bit of this on the lower lash line. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I had an allergic reaction to skincare. I did end up getting some treatment to be able to take care of it. I did everything from home, but it was a very long week of healing. This shadow is really pretty. I like it a lot. For all you people that have an issue with kickback, this shadow definitely has a little bit of it, but it's gone. Scooch in a little bit so we can see this a little bit better. And do I want to build this up higher? I'm going to. Just so it is more intense up here on my lid. This is almost like you could do a one shade and done, and this would definitely work really well, but I'm going to use a couple other shades as well. Just going to intensify this outer corner and pull it out a little bit to a V. I was really excited to see this palette come out from Colourpop and Raw Beauty Kristi. I didn't pick up the one from Pure because I wasn't really, I don't know, something just didn't appeal to me with that shadow palette, but this is really nice. So this is what I'm going to leave with this color. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the gel eyeliner in the shade Punch from Colourpop, and I'm going to put this in the lower lash line. I have never used these before, so this is my first time using these. It is definitely very vibrant. What I want to do is smoke out the lower lash line, so I'm going to grab a smaller brush, and I'm just going to use a BH Cosmetics No. 5 brush, and I'm going to pick up more of that same shade, Chantrette. And I'm going to put this shade on the lower lash line to intensify it. I think the UPS or FedEx guy is here. Alright, so then I'm going to switch into another brush and a different shade. I'm just going to deepen up the outer lash line, and we are going to use, let's go into Puffball, which is the nice little light brown, and I'm going to use a Morphe M433 brush, and these things are very pigmented, and I just want to apply a little bit of this on the outer V area just to deepen it just a little bit, not too much. Just like that, not much. Just 2 quick hits, and I think that should be good on both sides. I do want to use West Coast and put this in my inner corner as my inner corner highlight, and this looks really pretty, and I can't wait to try this. So I'm going to use the opposite side of that Dose of Colors brush that I was just using, and we'll pick this up a little bit. This thing looks pigmented. It's very soft feeling shadow, so it's not gritty. This is really nice. I'm going to put it onto the lid just a little bit here. I did get a little bit of fallout, which is okay. Just looking for a little brush to brush her off with. So much fun. I do like this a lot. What do I want to do for a little bit of a highlight? Kind of want to use a little bit of Evergreen and try this out as my brow highlight. Let's give it a try. I'm just going to use a Sigma E47 brush, and let's put this on the brow as a highlight. Ooh, I like this shade. Very pretty. Reminds me of an old shadow from MAC, maybe? Green brown? Can't remember. I'm going to leave it just at the arch here. Barely blend it out. I'm going to try out a new mascara. I tried this out one time during the week, and it is the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara. And I tried this out, and I had it on for 12 hours, 13 hours, and it worked really, really nice. It performed really well, and it did not mess with my eyes at all, which was great. So I'm going to put a coat of this on. And this mascara works really, really nice. Definitely makes my lashes a lot longer. My lashes just kind of more straightforward, even though if I try curling them, and I've used waterproof mascaras, they still kind of just go, meh. Just letting them sit and dry in between so I don't have to worry about anything transferring from the lashes to the lids, because that does happen quite often a lot too. And we're going to work on the lips. Okay, so for lips, I think I want to do something a little bit simpler, not too much of stuff going on, because the eyes are my main focus for today. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury, the Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude, and I'm going to overline my lips just a little bit. My lips are lined, and I'm going to go in with the lipstick from Natasha Denona, and this is one of the new ones from I Need a Nude collection, and I'm going to use Maria, and that is the shade. Very pretty. Smells like vanilla, and I love it. And I'm going to pat these in together. And I'm going to put a gloss on top as well, just to help with my lips, because my lips are very dry right now. And I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, this is Glass Slipper Lip Gloss, and is a clear gloss. I was trying to decide, do I want to use the Bite Beauty, the Flat White. I love this lip gloss, but I'll use this one today. And just make sure you wipe your lip gloss wand off so you do not change or contaminate the color of your lip gloss if it is clear. And I just took a lip brush, and this is from Studio Gear number 29, and I just lined up my lips a little bit just to clean them up. And lastly, what I'm going to do is we're gonna put some finishing spray on, and let's use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip and Refresh Spray. I've been liking this stuff a lot. I've been using it. As you can see, it's all the way down to there. Stuff smells so good. I kind of want to put a little bit of extra something in the inner corner. Let's go in with some glitter. I have two different ones from Urban Decay. I have Midnight Cowboy and Goldmine, and I think that these would be really nice for like the inner corner, just for a little bit of an extra pop. I think I'm going to use this one right here, and this one is Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just going to take a pencil brush and just tap that out a little bit. Don't drag, just tap, because it helps spread the glitter. All right, I'm going to come closer so you guys can see my final eye look. Very simple, but a little bit of fun just to enjoy some of that pop of the glitter. And it definitely, you can still see that there is that gold shade still underneath the glitter. And I thought that this was really cool. I liked it a lot. So for my first impressions of the At Forest site, I am very intrigued with this. I do want to play with this a little bit more and dig into some of the other colors. I really am gravitating towards these colors right here, just because I am a green eyeshadow lover, and I do like this. Hopefully it does come back. I think it actually did come back in stock, possibly as a full collection or individually, but I do recommend it. And then for the cream gel liner, this thing is pigmented. Holy cow. I really want to check more of these out. So hey, Colourpop, if you hear me, send me some of these. It'd be awesome. The mascara definitely darkened up my lashes. I do need to curl them maybe some more to see if it actually holds a curl. If you guys enjoyed this look, please let me know. Give me some thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel down here. Notification bell. Leave me some comments. We always love those. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.